Hey, what's up guys, we are back again with another video about the S21 Ultra. So in this video we are going to show you how you can add the fingerprint scanner on your S21 Ultra device. So the process is very simple. You just need to open up your setting, scroll down towards the biometric and security. Here you will find out the fingerprint button. Just tap on that, and if you have another lock you have to turn that lock on, and after that you will find out the fingerprint menu is here. You just need to press the continue button here, and then go towards the next option, and you will find out that the in-display fingerprint scanner is appearing here. You just need to tap on your device in order to scan your finger in here. Okay, after registering your fingerprint on there, you have two different options, add and done. If you want to add another fingerprint scanner, you can press the add button, and if you are finished, just press the done button. And here is the simple method. You just added the fingerprint scanner on your S21 Ultra. So this is the simple method through which you can add the fingerprint scanner on your device. So guys, I hope this video has helped you out in some way. Do consider subscribing my channel for more updates. Thanks for watching. Peace.